Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I ordered mine in the color black. I ordered mine in the 512 gigabyte model. It was supposed to be released on March 11th, but I went ahead and pre-ordered it and it arrived a few days early, which makes it feel like one of those tech YouTubers, except that I had to pay the equivalent of a down payment for me to get my model. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and start this unboxing. I'm definitely excited for this device. I've been running on an old device for quite a few years now, so I'm definitely in a need of an upgrade. Alright, so that's just the packing information, nothing unique there. But this is how it comes if you pre-order it. Set that to the side. You also get a discount if you pre-order it and you get the latest Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. I will be unboxing this in a separate video. For now, I just want to focus on the star of the show, which is the new phone. There it is, guys. Very beautiful box. I believe some people were saying that the box was similar to like last year's model, but anyway, there's two tabs, one at the bottom, one at the top. You can go ahead and peel those and that should open up the device. Peel the top one. And the bottom one. Alright, let's go ahead and open this together. And there it is. Wow, it's more beautiful in person than I thought. Definitely is a matte color. Doesn't seem to pick up like any fingerprints, so should be kept relatively clean. I did order a case for it. I'm waiting for that to arrive. But yeah, like there's no smudges from my fingertips. So they did use a material. Oops, sorry about that. They did use some material that will not pick up any fingerprints. So let's pick this phone up. I believe it has a cover. Let's go ahead and set that to the side for now. And let's check what else came in the box. So it doesn't appear there's anything else in here. And on the other box, we go ahead and open this tab open. The rest of the box is empty. But if you open this up from here, I believe this is like where the charging cable should be. There's nothing else in there. Yeah, so you just get a USB-C charging cable with it. I did have to order a charger block from a different website. I believe it's a 60-watt one. I'll go ahead and leave it in the description which one you need to maximize the charging potential of this phone. But yeah, you just pretty much get this. And I believe a SIM card removal tool. Yeah, just a SIM card removal tool. It's a little bit difficult to get out. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and just remove the screen protector. Look at that. Very beautiful phone. Nothing on this side. This is where the S Pen is located. Very nice. And I believe it only goes in one way, or so you're gonna have a bump if you put it the other way in. But yeah, just a speaker, USB-C, SIM card, volume rocker, power, cameras. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See if it has any battery. And it's probably dead. Yeah, so anyways guys, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And consider subscribing because I'm going to be doing a camera test on this phone. So definitely looking forward to test that out. But yeah, thanks guys. Have a good day.